Consider the following database table named water schemes. We have this table water schemes, scheme number, district name and capacity are the columns. The number of tuples returned by the following SQL query is dash, and we have been given this SQL query. We need to find out the number of tuples returned by this SQL query. So if you look at the SQL query, it is using SQL with clause. What with clause does is, it will give this subquery block a name, that is total here, and this subquery block, whatever is written by the subquery block, it will be treated as a table having this name, and that can be referenced multiple times in the main SQL query, that is this select query here. So these two are with clauses here. These two will return some table with names as this. It's not exactly a table, but whatever is written will be treated as if it is a table in the main SQL query. So this will be treated as a table named total, and what this returns will be treated as a table named total average, that is referenced in the SQL query here. So we'll go through this now. With total name capacity as select district name sum of capacity from water schemes group by district name. So here we are running a select query. We are selecting district name and sum of capacity from water schemes. We are doing group by district name. So when we are grouping by district name, the sum of capacities will be for Ajmer it will be 20, for Bikaner it will be 10 plus 10 plus 20, that is 40, for Churu it will be 20 plus 10, that is 30, for Dungargar it will be 10 only. And whatever this is returning, we'll name it as a table total with columns name and capacity. That's given here, total, name and capacity. Now here this with clause, what it does is select average of capacity from total. So from this table total, we will just take the average of capacity, that is 20 plus 40 plus 30 plus 10 by 4, that is 100 by 4, that is 25. So this will be treated as a table named total average having column capacity, and there is only one entry, that is 25. Now we'll look at the main select clause. Select name from total average, where total.capacity greater than or equal to total average.capacity. So we are just returning the name of the districts from this table which has a capacity greater than 25, that is Bikaner and Churu only. So the final query will be returning two rows, one for Bikaner and one for Churu. So the total number of tuples returned by the SQL query will be 2.